here. Okay, so it's 6:47 on Wednesday, and I have not done an in the car kind of vlog for a long time, talking about homeschool and all that stuff, and I thought that I would just do a quick little check-in. So my husband is right here, and my daughter's in the back, and we're actually, say hi! Okay, so we're actually heading to church. So we have Bible studies on Wednesdays, prayer on Mondays, regular services on Sundays, and in fact this week is going to be kind of busy. We have like an outdoor service thing going on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday evening, so it's going to be quite the week, y'all. But just wanted to check in and say hello. We just want to say hello real quick. You haven't seen my husband for a while. You know how he is with like 30 seconds. He doesn't
like being in the camera.
No, he doesn't. But he was gracious enough just to say hi. So that's it. I think I'm going to insert the next clip. It's going to be just a short clip of our planner party that we had last night. I would manage to remember to film. It was like maybe like 2 minutes of the supplies that we had. It was so exciting. It was so fun, guys, and we're planning on doing it more often. So that's what's up. What'd you say, Riley? I don't know. It happens on Tuesdays and you're in dance class. I don't know. Do you see it's 6:49? It's starting to get dark already.
Yep.
Look at that. True sign that we're going into another season, guys. So I really like summer.
Yep.
I don't really like the heat as much, but I do love summer and everything about it. But fall, you know, it's just nice. I like to decorate for fall. I like the pumpkins and the leaves and the smelling of the candles. So the next clip you're gonna see is our planner party. Okay, hey guys, Monique Creative Life. So I'm actually at that planner party I talked about earlier. And I'm not gonna show my friends' faces because they said they didn't want to be in it. So anyways,
obviously you have to remember
Okay, so my friends don't want to be in it, but right now, what time is it? It is 9:58, and we've been planning for like, what, the last hour? Okay, so fun. So we've been swapping stickers, and my girlfriend's showing her stamp and how she does it. I guess these are too big.
Too big. You need thin ones.
And
like
we need
this.
these ones. But, you know, these were free, so I just couldn't resist, guys.
Free doesn't mean good always.
We have tons of washi here, all of our planners here, guys. It's so exciting. So I'm going to just show you the process now. We're just trying to get our stuff ready. So I'm going to take a nice picture.
So like crying.
This is all of our stuff. Look, this is crazy. Look at all these beautiful pens and Sharpies, guys. These are like really cool stamps. Our washies. Look at this big, beautiful happy planner.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Be happy.
Some more stamps. It's out of control up in here. I'm telling you, this is so fun. So much color and life and creativity. You know I love